Yeah, so my country people, I agree to now. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, press that subscribe button and turn on that notification button. Yes, Arsenal don't play draw soup with Brighton and we get Oga Obed, we be Bunga Arsenal fan. Make on tell us how you see this game. Oga Obed, many people they expected this game at 3 points for Arsenal. But what do you think say go wrong for Arsenal for this match?
You know, say our people say if matter meet winch, winch not they go cover. The matter don't beat us now for our home. We not fit come collect the 3 points now. You get so, but those ones are they very proud of the club because we do well. I know Arsenal before like like
2 seasons, 3 seasons ago. But the 3
we go,
seasons
yes we go dey G3 for this kind of matter, but kudos to the boys, we do well. So I was impressed even if I wanted the 3 points, but what's I go do now? I dey very impressed with this one we get.
So what do you think about that red card for Declan Rice? Because now that red card now one of the key moments for inside this match. You think say that second yellow now right call from the ref or not be the right call from the ref?
I dey expect say by this kind of time on Monday, my feel say UK people dey do Sunday rest. By Monday, that ref suppose carry mic, come apologize, give Arsenal people the whole world say wetin you do for them a very fuck up thing. The guy that was not a foul now. Even if they say you won't even call that thing say na offense, call Declan Rice to order. You understand? Because even Declan Rice even exaggerates the kick to an extent, but that's not warrant yellow card. If you ask me, the way I see him. But then if I look at him again, maybe when I wish that I go observe and get man know what I did. But from what I don't see now, that man supposed to apologize to us by Monday. Yes, I wouldn't see that.
So, but what do you get to talk about the chances where Arsenal get after that red card where Arsenal will take win this game? One to Saka, one to Havertz. How you see those chances?
Those chances now waiting on a normal day. We go bury him. But Oyibo man say if wishes were horses, beggars were right. You get. Havertz. Me I thought say Trossard for squad that kind one go bury and Gabriel just go bury them. But these two guys, now people will get. Saka say he's stretching leg, but he not reach finish. But then I still give them that flowers. They still try. You know, easy. Even the best of players they miss those kind of chances. So I don't see it as a biggie. I was even impressed that we were able to create such a chance, even in the midst of our chaos. So that is how I feel.
So, but how you see the way Arsenal handled the pressure? Just because you talk about waiting for happen if you're saying that 3 seasons, 4 seasons ago, Arsenal uphold. But like say things for just water for just cool past the Gary finish. Maybe Arsenal for no get any point. But how you see the way Arsenal contain the pressure after going one man down for inside this match?
I would say Arteta don't really copy in Godfather way. Guardiola way, he don't copy him very well. Because when we signed Calafiori, they were like, he won't sign Guardiola kind of player. When we signed Timber, that's what they talk. For the first say Timber, if he play midfield, Calafiori if he enter the midfield. So you see, someone we even get the red card. Timber was now playing defense and also supporting party in that midfield. So Arteta signing, Arteta not just the signing, if they sign utility players, players where he feel into so many roles. So I did very impressed with the way we do them. So Calafiori coming in, Timber staying on. Then even when they commit Timber, bringing Sichenko, now very nice one. So we undo the problem very well. Yes. So I'm very impressed.
So what do you think about Arsenal transfer business overall? And if you want to rate them, how you go rate them over 10?
Over 10. I don't believe say I need to trust Arteta. So over 10 for me, not 10 over 10. We needed a striker, but now him be our coach. Now him they see them. Now he know what he wants. We not get striker now. You get maybe we not get the money or something. But the transfer, but I'm not giving 10 over 10. I say 9.5 over 10. I'm impressed.
So what do you think about the Raheem Sterling signing? Because some Arsenal fan yesterday when that deal they go through, some Arsenal fan talk say why be say Arsenal go carry Chelsea players, they come revive their career for Arsenal. But you, what do you think about that signing, Oga Obed?
What is Sterling? Well, Chelsea will just the normal way that they want they claim Sterling. Sterling not player for footing play for Man City, I be Liverpool for Chelsea now. You get because Chelsea not get the system where go favor Sterling. So this Sterling signing when we sign them, come watch our match against Tottenham, miss what Sterling go do. Top notch signing now.
So to you, Sterling no be finished player.
Finished player care. Sterling. Watch just next week. I'll be next 2 weeks after international break. Come and watch Sterling. Sterling is a fantastic footballer.
So, but what do you get to talk about Arsenal defense so far? Because Many people they give this defense praise last season. You talk about the signing of Calafiori. Now Timber don't come back. How you dey see that Arsenal defense as Arsenal fan?
Arsenal defense. I don't want to exaggerate Arsenal defense, and I don't want to be full of myself. But this Arsenal defense is impenetrable. You not fit penetrate this Arsenal defense. No, my debut human being lapses go dey one or two, but Saliba just get that sense where he go fit just dey manage the defense. Our defense dey impeccable as usual. Wonderful defense.
And make I ask you, what do you dey expect from Arsenal this season? How many trophies you think say Arsenal go fit to win this season?
How many trophies will we win this season? We go fit compete for the trophies, but I feel it's too early for me now today.
But your normal expectation as Arsenal fan, what you dey expect going into the season from the club?
I feel we will do in Champions League, and of course we will get the Premier League this season.
So you believe Arsenal go win the league this
Yes,
season?
I'm very confident. My fear itself not be even Man City. My fear na Liverpool. Liverpool, that Liverpool team they cook. They cook Chiesa. No. So I feel say for the fact say Arteta don't build this team to do well, to absorb pressure. I want to go give us that little edge, and we'll get a young team. So Premier League first now short game. Then this Champions League new rule. I feel say we go do well. If we even reach semi-final there for the new rule.
Yeah, semi-final.
We will reach semi-final for the Champions League.
So make I ask you about Arsenal next game after the international break. Tottenham Hotspur. How you dey see that game? What you dey
That
predict?
match not be Tottenham versus Arsenal. That match is Tottenham versus Sterling. Come and watch Sterling that day.
Michael was telling
Come watch Sterling that day.
your scoreline prediction.
Arsenal 4, Tottenham 0.
All right, now I'll go bet.